Rahul Gandhi UMP ke Wayanad bat unong yalam ke Kongres ulaang. Bau Menteri Kampo Yeng keri India Amit Shah hidalade ulaang baka Meghalaya ke dega jela ke babam Sabtam. Bat hadin pat ulai trailang bat keseng ke balam khmat ya ke sarkar. Ulah kena baka don ke jing khayi dau yong bean nalor ke kambam sap na ke jing khalam ke jing tap tunum ke yeng dorbar thau an. Ulaang ru bayaki ketien ke jela Meghalaya ru amsyam lepen rung ha ke kernit bapra ke riti sensyar bat ki hok kum ki riu lom ru la slot na du tenrai. Ulaang baka bor kala syong ha ke sarkar preng omshu ha ki patba ke jela Meghalaya. Kadi ke jingkan tho Rahul kala long ha ke jingyalang ha NSCA paham sim nongpo hadien ke jingyat kejat na ke snong umling kediat ha ke jan mi jong ke RPR tari kula lengkot arja arpusau najan ke district transport office Riboy district kum shibenta ke Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra ke bade ke jingyalap jong ke seng Kongres persya ya ke Bharatiya Janata Party dau Rahul Gandhi ha ke bau ladap banyat ha keleng ki parliamentary constituency jong ke Lok Sabha ha ke India. Dagi pau hajar ngot kipat ba kila tuat cakani ke jingyalang pala saki ya ke jingdon lang u presiden ke MPCC Uma Vincent H pala ki MLA ki MDC nalor ki nongkit kam ke parti ha ke jela.
The voice of Meghalaya, the voice of Manipur, the voice of Arunachal, these are all being attacked.
Henry minta kasur na Meghalaya, kasur na po Manipur, kasur na po Arunachal, amdan masngap, amdan baperwa.
Your tradition, your history, your way of life is being attacked by the RSS.
Karukom im ke Jongphi, kariti ke dustur ke Jongphi, but kalay kawan ke Jongphi, ka RSS ka Sdang Ñion hakini kisngi.
The conversation between the states happens through the institutions of the nation.
Kajingya kren hapdeng ki jela bafer but ka sarkar pedeng kayai lengba kini ki institution kamut ki institution ki bafer hapok kari India.
The legal system, the election commission, these institutions protect the conversation between our states. I'll repeat it. The conversation between our states happens through the institutions of India.
Kajing ya keren hapdeng ki jela bafer but kari India ki wan lengba kini ki institution ki bafer.
And the constitution protects the conversation between our states.
But kini ki institution bafer ki yada ya kata kajing ya dei hapdeng ki jela but ka sarkar pedeng.
And today the RSS is strangling the constitution, strangling the institutional framework of India.
But hakini ki sngi ka RSS ka Sdang man knyot ya kini ki institution but kumjuru ya ka constitution jong kari India.
And Meghalaya is not ruled from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is ruled from Delhi.
But ya ka jela Meghalaya ki klem sensyar na po Meghalaya hanrei la sensyar na Delhi.
And as far as we are concerned, this is not acceptable.
But hakarukom perkat perdain ke jongi ngimla aban pediang ya kani.
The nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ke jongi menta kayo ya ka jing bom don kam don jam ka bashar khai menta ka bat krautam hakine ki South House nem ki balalik.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ka sarkar ka babam Sabtam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam Sabtam tang hadin katto kanesngi menta uya trailang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khayitu yaw doyong bat ka dome jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine gide kita kisin ki ba mangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki klempat penrung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Kidon ar po arteli ki kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
the structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilat jingeda kumno ban penne ya kariti ke dustur ke Jongphi, hangne ya ki adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ke Jongphi, baro ki Sdang ban penjot manta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor Jongki, district council ki Jongi, enang pentelot sisu iki, lakini kabor ke Jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingila ay, kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council, Sdang ban pendu, kaway hadin kaway.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kini gede ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa man pensngau si ki pa iba hakajingyai kijat ke jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham kongsan tam ka thong ka ba ngabu hakane ka jingyai kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong bania kren bat phi bat ban sngap ye phi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing angnot bat ka jing pos new Jongki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing ba ki nong rep nakane ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le hakane ka jalla ka Jongki.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kongsan tam nakamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jingya day hapdeng jonga bat ki pa iba long sung sunong hapo ka jalla
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing sngorit ban sngap ya phi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka Jongphi bat ban sngo ban sngap ya ki jing don kam ki Jongphi.